Week 3, Case Preparation. Many times the interpreter will not be able to do any prior preparation, but if possible, it will help streamline the process. As mentioned below, this week you are being asked to review a real court case to discover the various elements involved. The example mentioned is one in which I'm involved. You should look for others, but if you can't find one, then go to the website and look at this one. Remember to keep a journal and write something related to this week's topic, i.e. court preparation. Include this in the discussion forum for class participation. Search the Bible for something related to preparation of a case and write a brief description. Find a YouTube related to case preparation. After watching it, write a review and an evaluation. This week's project, as mentioned, is to review a case. The example that I've included here is found on the Oklahoma Supreme Court Net dockets, course CF 2019-17. As you look at it, you make notations of the various elements you will need to know and interpret during the proceedings. Remember, this is a good place to find words to add to your lexicon. You should be reading a book on legal interpreting or a chapter in the Fundamentals of Court Interpreting. When you finish reading, write a brief summary, 3 to 5 pages, and an evaluation of the book or chapter. This assignment will be due at the end of the course. Remember to add questions to the question board. Finally, remember by the end of the course you will be expected to have developed a lexicon or glossary where you list words and the corresponding words in your chosen language. Adding to it weekly will help make its final presentation easier. The purpose of course preparation is to help you as you interpret. If you have reviewed the case, you will know what the case is about, the names of those involved, the antecedents, and where the case is in the judicial process. Each of these elements will be helpful because they will clue you into what it will be said, and therefore what needs to be interpreted. Often, dates, names, court cases, etc. are some of the most difficult things to interpret because those involved rattle them off without waiting or catching a breath. If you've done your homework, then you too can rattle them off as well because you will have them written down and only have to listen for things that are different. Case preparation also helps you become comfortable with the dynamics of the situation. You know what to expect, you know the actors, you know the elements, you know the documents, and as you will discover, each of these has a formulaic part to play in the court process. Because of that, you know what is coming next and can be anticipating what you will need to say and not fumble for words. Taking time before you actually get to court will not be a waste of time. It will help you be the interpreter you want to be.